Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and in this video we are going to talk about iOS 17. As you guys know, iOS 17 is now released for beta testers, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install iOS 17 on any iPhone. So this is my iPhone 13, and in this device we are going to install the iOS 17 developer beta 2. So first of all, open your Safari and then open developer.apple.com. link is in the description. And then when you are on the website, search for iOS 17, and here you just have to press on the download button, and when you press the download button it will ask you to log in. Now log in with your Apple ID. After you logged in, there is nothing to do more. Go to setting, general, software update, and here is nothing. So in the beta section, select the iOS 17 developer beta and go back. Give it a second. Here is your iOS 17 beta 2. The size may vary from 3 GB to 4 GB depending on your device, but now just press the download and install. Give your ID and voila, you are ready to go. iOS 17 beta 2 is now downloading and will be installed on your device. It will take some time. It may vary on several things. For me, it took more than 45 minutes. So hang on, grab yourself a coffee and wait. And after the whole process, the device will reboot on its own, and it will reboot on iOS 17 beta 2. Here we are. It's showing the software update complete. Now just give it a moment, and here we are. The device is updated and it's on iOS 17 developer beta 2. Let me show you. Yeah, as you can see, iOS 17. Okay, so this is how you can install iOS 17 developer beta on your iPhone, and see you guys in the next one. Till then,